Yeah, Gaza Nation, the popular thing shot, you know. I don't know, joke thing. Vybz Cartel featuring likkle addi. The thing shot. No gimmicks not the inner it Gaza Nation. Alright now, you know. You don't know the topic, you know. A popular, every girl dream that. No gimmicks thing not the inner it. I see the material evidence, you know, over Instagram, you know, and TikTok and them place there. I see how much girls from all over the world are run out. That's why I say, and I make them intensity be knowing because them are sure. That's why make them talent upon the music. That's why I say, I know the music video got drop were well orchestrated and you don't see say the song well based up off our international movements because that's how the world boss are take it, you know. I may tell you a long time already, you know. Say the youth them, you know. I got international sooner I wanna think, you know. Remember, you know, I me tell the world boss, you know, say the youth them, you know, a dancehall royalty, you know. And world boss name the EP dancehall royalty, you know. That for sure is no gimmicks not the inner the game, you know. And no lollipop thing, you know. Watch you know. I hear some look a shiski bag. I run in my comment box and I tell me about, hey, look from when him drop Dirty Drunk. I know it now reach 1 million views per YouTube. And them claim say popcorn, and the next look man have 1 million views. What about Buckler you tell man that for? Eh? Like seriously? Who cares about YouTube? We're not telling us we're done with them shit there. Go over Spotify is gonna look on the numbers. You then when they're there, chat up on a local lunatic mode and act like you're a joker. When you go and run down the YouTube thing, man, and at the end of the year, you show them what good have it done for you, man. No lollipop thing that they're in it, you know. Because I tell you already, you know, say from the quarantine, kick in, you know. They have some money, you know. Music performance, you know. Dry up, you know. And the music skill, you know. Dry up. But watch this. At the world, it's not a plan. You know, watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what go already, you know, when I come to represent. Full effective, man. You know what go? When you load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, yo, you know a loud explosion about you, you know. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely, watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation, me not lie. The popular thing shot, shellware, hotter than we hell there. No gimmicks in my game. I see the material evidence I see over Instagram and TikTok and them place them. I see the amount of girls them from all over the world. I bring them intensity, pan the song, with them video, I go along bad anywhere at all them there. So no gimmicks thing na there in it. And now when me I say me see the material evidence them over Instagram and TikTok and them place there. No gimmicks na the amount of video where I drop on the shit. You can't even believe it. You hear me I say? Yeah. But right about now, you know, that just goes to show you, you know. So when the world boss in the classroom and I teach, you know, more on of sister likkle Vybz and likkle addi, them don't even miss a word. You know what I mean? Not even one word them miss now, one line. Them glue on it. You see what I say? Some boy, you know, I'm going to take the world boss image, you know. Him not have the style. Because when him should have pay attention, you know, him busy at school class, that's where I dealing, busy at play around in the classroom. It just like bees and wash. when these teach us how to build the cone, him ready and show off him stinking self and was pan bees, and bees don't teach him how to make the honey. So up to the day name day, I just the cone alone was can make. Because them that get too bright, and that happen to enough of them local artists when them run out and I get a local hype. You see what I deal with? Yeah, them can make the cone, but them don't know how to make the honey. And that with them local artists what I tell you about, them can steal Vybz Kartel image, but them cannot perform like Vybz Kartel musically, no time at all. Them don't have it now, them, my virgin. No joke na day and night. Them not have it now, them can make some look a simple rhyme in a them line a song and all them shit there, you know. But nothing spectacular like what the world boss can do. You hear me I say? No gimmicks not there in a Gaza nation. Them not that intelligent when it come on to putting words together. You know what I mean? I just simple things them can go on with. Them style simple. You know what I mean? Yeah, so some man I run in from my comment box and I tell me about how long Dirty Drunker drop. And it now reach 1 million views on YouTube. Why you tell me that for? Go check out Spotify. You see the number on Spotify? When you see the numbers on Spotify? Yo, me not ask you nothing, you know, my virgin. Because we done with this YouTube shit, you know, my virgin. Yeah, you say if you have something to talk about Gaza, on YouTube, I better you come try to take on a Gaza vlogger than even call up world boss name, because we are say it don't ever match up and it don't ever add up, because the EP already hit Billboard already. So I don't know what more kind of argument you cannot come and bring to me. You know what I mean? That's what I deal with. So I don't know what I really I think about or what I really I deal with, but I just want to see. Say, look at Vybz and look at Addi. Right now, you know, them youth they go international soon as no queen. You don't love the interview where the youth them drop. You don't see how intellect the youth them is better than even some boy who hype up themselves. When you watch them I take interview, them look like a kid. The youth them look well mature like them a big growing man. You know what I mean? And them a youth, we still a go school. And some boy we old school and say him a big man and I go like him tough. Him can't even take a decent interview. Yo, the thing will amaze me in the interview. Although that shouldn't even amaze me, you know, because I already know say the world boss kid, you know, and I know say I saw the father, I saw the son. You see what I say? Here we go on. The local man asks, look at Vybz and look at Addi. If them get no inspiration from no different music, the youth them ask him, what genre of music him attack? If music in generally. Him say no, dancehall artists. If them listen to other dancehall artists thing. The youth them laugh and say right now that hard. And when him ask the youth them why, the youth them make him know say yo the world boss alone will listen to. That more for sure say the youth them no miss a line. You see me? When the world boss in the classroom I teach. The man them say a world boss alone them listen to. No gimmicks not the inner it Gaza nation. And no lollipop thing. The youth them say the world boss alone them listen to. No joke thing not inner it. No wonder why you see the youth them are get dynamic in them craft, my brethren. Because if you ask me, look at Vybz, the man a melody king. The man rule melody. You know what I mean? I remember me tell you that already. But the material evidence I go show, I go prove it enough for uno who feel like a gimmicks thing me I deal with. The man control melody thing. You see lyrics, look at Addi, he will murder you. He will murder you. You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke thing. The man lyrics game now, another lollipop thing. A high grade lyrics game him up. Another real thing. I don't know even a joke thing me I tell you about. Yeah, if you listen to the local youth, he will murder on with lyrics. You see local vibes? You see local vibes now? All the melody, man. He will kill people with melody. A two international star that. I'll tell you something. The whole of England I go crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah, because the man I make the youth them know that. You know what I mean? And the youth them I make him know differently. So right now, you know, although, you know, you see England, you know, I go on like that, you know. The man make them know, you know. So right about now, you know, the whole of Africa want to see it. You know what I mean? The whole of Africa go crazy. You know what I mean? I don't even know joke thing about it. You know what I mean? So I love how the youth them a perform, and I love how them a take them time a come out in the public because the interview shell way, you know, hotter than where you know. Till the local man have to make them know, you know. Say, yo, I'm a cartoon thing, you know. I go soon, very soon, you know. Again, you know. And the man bless up the world boss, you know, for the opportunity, you know. We could have met that happen, you know. The youth them are reason like some man way in a dance hall for some decades. I saw the youth them are reason. I can't believe the local youth them are reason with a big man like that. You see what I say? Because I see some local man we claim them a big man. And I see them panel on stage and them shit there. I take interview and one time I look and I watch and I listen, it look like some nerdy pearly them. I saw them like them frightened. You know, like all when all a kid get all them present on Christmas, I saw them act. You know what I mean? And I know a joke thing. Them not have no composure. Them not have no intelligence. You know what I mean? The man who interview them a be a look focus, slang and style them want use on the man. You know what I mean? You see what I deal with? And when the man asks them, not have nothing to do with that. You don't feel like some gimmicks thing. Why you think some of them can ever move from which part them there? You know what I mean? And it take all some artists, it take them problem for getting international respect. Yeah, it take him give him problem for getting international. Because they're not moving like an international artist. You see what I say? They move like some common artists. So them get treated in common way. So more while I see some local man get some local hype, you know. And when him for step one thing for fulfill the hype where him get, you know. You know what I mean? Him make hype get to him and him fall off at the level where him did that one. When you hear them chat, and I chat up them more about this and that, and look on a youth like Skilly. Why you think him have the ground like that? The youth well intelligent. And the youth can put words together. You see what I deal with? And that's why the youth not DJ common like enough of them. You see what I say? No joke thing not there in it. So when a man around come over my comment box and I come and tell me about Skilly Bang and Popcorn have million views and Skilly Bang around the ground, of course, he's supposed to. You know what I mean? He's a young sensation. You know what I mean? I'm supposed to run the ground, you know. Vybz Kartel been a do that from him come out in a music until now. Vybz Kartel not running the ground at Jamaica. Vybz Kartel running the world. So don't get it twisted. A two different things you know mix up. Get on a thing together, my brethren. Now come talk to me in a lollipop way. Because the thing them you know come to man with as total stupidness. Don't forget, say, you know, Vybz Kartel are the first man, you know, who called Skilly Bang, you know, and give him Billboard hits, you know. The album shot a Billboard hit. And Skilly go on a different album, you know. With the brick pan brick, you know, and still shot the Billboard. So some know say, well then, Him tougher and them look man here where on ear run up them mouth and I go like them bad. You see what I say? That's all me know. You see what I say? Yeah, and the youth are taking him career to a different level because you see say Sony will put him signature on paper. So no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I deal? But me I say look at Vybz and look at Addi. Them are go international. Quick and fast and quick and all no thing. You hear me I tell you no? Remember, you know, and me tell you know, world boss, you know, say them two look at you with their dancehall royalty, you know. And world boss name the EP dancehall royalty. You think we easy? A high grade we smoke, we not bun beady. Or the general, the 10-star one I represent. What? Hey, a Gaza way, you know? There ain't no other way. Oh.